There are different terminologies that you might hear about in this assessment section or while you're reading about assessment. For example, you might find diagnostic testing, and here it's where you're actually gonna need to make some sort of a test to make sure that the students have understood the material or not, and if there are any parts that they do not understand, you're going to diagnose them and to know what has gone wrong so that you can try to help them and fix the situation. Also, there are other types of assessment. You might actually hear these two words a lot: formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment is the assessment you're going to be doing all the semester or all the term to make sure that your students understood everything. So here it is not like the final exam. No, it is all the quizzes, all the recaps, all the revisions, all the activities that you're doing inside the class all the time for all the little bits and pieces that you're going to teach them to make sure that they really understood it. So here, formative is gonna be what is done as an ongoing process, and it is also done for small parts of the material. Summative assessment is quite the opposite. This is what you do at the end. It can be like something like the midterm, the final exam, something, an exam that is done for the whole unit, not just parts of the unit. So this is something that is done at the end of a particular period.